Article of the Week. The future is here. Nike introduces self-lacing sneakers. So this week's Article of the Week is about a shoe. One of the things I noticed about last week's Article of the Week is that a lot of people did not receive the full points for annotations. Now, we did a lot of those annotations together, so the expectation is that I certainly would see those annotations as well as some of the ones that you added on your own. Your answers to the questions are worth 40 points, and then punctuation, grammar, complete sentences, things like that, 20 points. Okay? So let's take a look at the article, and our first read through, I'm going to read it. The next read through, you read it on your own, and we will do some partner reads this week as well. So the title, let's go ahead and underline the title. The future is here. Nike introduces self-lacing sneakers. Notice there's a subtitle. Go ahead and circle that subtitle. Forget tying your shoes. Nike's HyperAdapt 1.0 features brand new lacing technology that gives you the perfect fit with the push of a button. Let's begin. Paragraph 1. For every runner, finding sneakers that fit so perfectly you never have to think about adjusting is pretty much the holy grail. In a quest to find that perfect fit and get rid of a needless distraction, Nike has simply removed shoelaces from the equation. Meet the brand new Nike HyperAdapt 1.0, a sneaker that laces up with sensors that find the perfect customized tension for your feet. Huzzah! We can finally retire our YouTube search for how to lace your running shoes. Nike calls this new feature adaptive lacing, and it's part of a larger brand movement towards innovation and personalization. They've even dubbed it the era of personalized performance. That's the result of years of research in digital, electrical, and mechanical engineering, according to the press release. Powered by an underfoot lacing mechanism, the shoe proposes a groundbreaking solution to individual idiosyncrasies in lacing and fit preferences. That means the undue pressure caused by tight tying and slippage resulting from loose laces are relics of the past, Nike says. Precise, consistent, personalized lockdown can now be manually adjusted on the go. Let's go back to that paragraph again. I want you to circle the word idiosyncrasies and the word relics. And we'll go back to those. So how exactly does it work? When you step in, your heel will hit a sensor and the system will automatically tighten, explained Tiffany Beers, senior innovator for Nike and the project's technical lead. Then there are 2 buttons on the side to tighten and loosen. You can just adjust it until it's perfect. Nike explains that the goal of these shoes is to eliminate one more distraction so that runners can focus on improving their performance. And while the sneakers do need to be manually adjusted by the runner, Nike is calling this version just the tip of this adaptive iceberg. You can expect future models to take this concept even further so that the sneaker and the runner are completely in sync. The ultimate goal is to create a running shoe that has the ability to sense what the body needs in real time and then instantaneously adjust to provide tailored to the moment custom fit, explains Nike designer Tinker Hatfield. We're excited for 2.0. To get your hands on a pair, hit up the Nike Soho store or Nike Plus Clubhouse, both in New York City. Only bad news here, the price is steep, like $720 steep. But you only get one pair of feet your whole life, so #worth it? Go back to this paragraph right here. I want you to make sure in your copy that you circle where it says adaptive iceberg. Okay? The other thing I'd like you to circle is sync, SYNC. All right? We'll talk more about these words in class together. Let's move down. It says parent signature, read the article aloud, review your questions and answers. Remember, this is not due until next Monday. And let's move down to the questions. Now remember, these all have to be answered in complete sentences, and you need to indicate the paragraph where you found your answer. So question number 1, what does adaptive lacing mean as it is used in the article? Okay. So remember, I've told you you can use part of the question to start your response. So your response, you would start the words adaptive lacing mean. Okay. Number 2, what official name does Nike use for the new shoe? So again, we can start our response by using something in the question. The official name Nike uses for its new shoe is, okay, and then of course note your paragraph. Define quest as it is used in the article, right? So you're not just looking up the word quest, you're finding it in the article and explaining what that word is as it's used in the article. Number 4, what does Nike mean when it says this is just the tip of the adaptive iceberg in the article? Number 5, define idiosyncrasies as used in the text. Explain how the shoe works. And number 7, what was Nike's goal when they created the self-lacing sneaker? All right. Don't forget, you need to go back and do your annotations and reread.